Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and in this video, let us check out the Kica K2 vibration percussion device. The model number is K2. Pause the video to read the specification of this device. Here you can see some of the features are given on the box. Long battery life, high frequency percussions, aviation aluminum body, and it's a smaller smartphone. Now as all massage guns come with some head, so you can see here we have this spherical head that can be used for soft tissues. Then we have the flat head for major muscle groups. Then we have the cone head for deep tissues, and then we have the U-shaped head for massaging neck and tendons. Now I have taken this out of the box, and you can see here we get a nice case inside which the massage gun is there. So this looks very nice. So the case is of good quality. Now opening up the box, you can see we have all the accessories and the massage gun inside this box. Also we get this user manual. Now let us first look at the user manual. So you can see it's written Kica vibration percussion device, and it shows all the physical features of this massage head, battery indicated charging port, wrist strap hole, etc. And here it shows the massage head and it shows how to use it. So installation of device is quite easy. You just take the massage head and fix in this, and then you can just power it on. Just press for a few seconds and it will get powered on. And here you can see you can select the percussion frequency. When you press it on first gear, it's 1200 per second, and then it's 2000, 3200, and the fourth one is intelligent massage, which means that it will vary accordingly. Shows the battery indicator and what is the charging status and how you can see this. So it shows how to charge this device. You can just put your USB-C here and you can charge this, and the model capacity etc is written, and it shows what are the product certification type list. You can also read this and see who you can use this device and who can't use this device, so you can accordingly use this. And here you can see you have safety instruction notice. If you're purchasing this device, make sure to read the user manual and use it according to the instructions given here. Now taking a look at the main content, here you can see here are some of the spearheads. So now here you can see here we have the main product, the Kica K2, and inside this box we get the USB Type-C cable. So you can see you can charge this with USB Type-C cable. Then we have the spearhead that gets fixed in the massage gun. Then this is the magnetic flathead. You can see here on the top we have the magnet. The ball head, so you can fix this easily onto the gun. This one, the pointed one, you can see it also has the magnet. The product feels of really good quality. I've been using this for around a week now. Here we have the rope that you can attach to this massage gun. Now taking a look at the massage gun itself, you can see it's in blue color. This feels quite heavy. It's around 400 grams and made up of excellent quality material. As in the box it was written, it's made up of aviation grade aluminum, and that seems to be really nice. You can see it's quite heavy and made of really good quality, and we have a good grip in this, and its size is also quite small. It's equivalent to a smartphone. This is where the head gets fixed on the massage gun. The button here you can see here we have all the main controls, the USB Type-C charging port, the 4 indicator light, and where you can fit in the rope strap. Now let us turn this on. Turning this on is quite easy. You just need to press this for a few seconds and you can see it gets started. You can see now this has got started now, and this is on the first mode, and here you can see here it shows us green battery, which means this is charged. Now if I press the second one, this gets much faster. If I press the third one, it gets more faster, and when I press the fourth one, it intelligently switches the speed accordingly. So that's quite nice. As you can see, I fitted the flat one, and this has a magnetic top onto head. This gives a really good feeling. It gives your muscles a good blood flow and it makes your muscles feel well rested. This is the ball head one, and you can use this head to massage any muscle in your body. So this is quite soft and also gives you a good rested feeling when you're massaging with this ball. Next one that we have is the pointed one, and now let us start this. So this is how the pointed one works. This also has the magnetic to the top, and this can be used in deep tissues and joints. I refer to the user manual to see which head can be used at which muscles. Now you can see here is the U-shaped one, and this can be used to massage your back and neck. So I've been using this device for close to 7 days, and in my experience this has been really good. You can use it daily for 5-10 minutes, and according to the user manual you can just see which head is used for which muscle and muscles easily. and the speed is quite good. The battery life was really nice. It takes around 1.5 to 2 hours to get fully charged. So guys, that was a quick video. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, please give video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to purchase the same, link to same in the description from where you can go and buy it. Also guys, if you want to purchase it, link to same will be in the description from where you can go and buy it. Thanks a lot for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. We upload really cool reviews on gadgets. We upload vlogs, food videos, lifestyle and etc. Also check out our website, which is www.thetrendyblog.net, in which we review a lot of consumer electronic products such as vacuums, keyboard, mouse, headphones, etc. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our blog. Thanks a lot for watching guys. This is Sai Harikrishnan signing off, and I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.